Hello children. Today I am going to discuss about two insects, honeybees and ants from the chapter Anita and the honeybees. Let us discuss about honeybees. As we live with our families and in societies, honeybees are also social insects that live in colonies. They build hives to live in. It is called as beehive. Mainly, three types of bees are there in a colony: queen bee, drone bee, and worker bees. Every beehive has one queen bee that lays eggs. The queen is the largest bee in the colony. There are only a few males in the hive. These male bees are called drones. They are incapable of stinging. The male bees have no special role as worker. Most of the bees in the hive are worker bees. They are female bees and do almost everything for the hive. These bees work all day. They make the hive in the form of wax comb. These are all hexagonal to use less wax and provide more space. They look after the babies that would grow into bees. These worker bees fly around flowers in search of nectar. They collect nectar from flowers for honey. Nectar is the juice of flowers which these bees extract to prepare their honey. When one bee finds flowers with nectar or juice, it does a special kind of dance by which the other bees can know where the nectar is. Worker bees are very important for the hive. If they don't make hive, there will be no beehive. If they don't collect and bring nectar from flowers, all these bees in the nest will go hungry. There are some other insects that live together in a group like honeybees. They are ants, termites, and wasps. Let us see some interesting facts about ants also. Ants live and work together like honeybees. They also have queen ant, soldier ant, and worker ant. Worker ants are just like the worker bees. They are always busy looking for food and bringing it to the nest. The queen ant who just lays eggs and so is the mother of all other ants in that colony. Soldier ants look after and guard the ants' nest. They protect the colony and help to carry the heaviest loads to the colony. Similarly, termites and wasps also live like this. Have you seen where ants live? Usually, ants live under the ground or inside walls, in the holes and on the leaves. Sweet eatables like sugar crystals, crumbs of some sweet, sugar syrup, etc. brings ants to them or attracts to them. They collect as much food as they can to store for winter because during winter they do not come out of their nests. Ants move in a single line because as the ants move, they leave a smell on the ground. The other ants follow the smell to find the way. All ants do not bite us. Mostly, the big-sized red and black-colored ants bite us, which can be very painful. If there is something sweet or other eatables left lying around, the ants comes near to collect it for its nest. Like other insects, ants have 3 pairs of legs. That is total 6, whether it is a big or small ant. Tell me, children, do you use honey in your house? If yes, for what is it used? Yes, honey is used in our home in many ways. We eat honey with bread. Honey is used when someone has cough or sore throat, etc. It is golden and brown in color. Honeybees do not sting or attack you unless you disturb them. So don't disturb them or their hive. They are giving us such a healthy food in the form of honey, which has got multiple uses and benefits. Thank you.